Hi there and welcome to Tech Life, a channel where I aim to review everything from selfie sticks to laptops to IDs for coding, video editing, software producing, thumbnails, essentially anything tech related. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you have anything that you think I should review, please let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to review that product.
In this new video, we're going to be unboxing a new phone, and that phone essentially is going to be replacing this old phone. This is not my main phone. This is a Samsung S7, which I use as a secondary phone. Essentially, my main phone is a Samsung S24, and this old thing I've had 9 years, and it's just one that I use just as a secondary phone. And I didn't go with the Samsung this time. For a change, I went with a Motorola. So I had a quick look around and obviously did a bit of research. And as I say, I didn't want a premium phone because I've already got one. I didn't want to spend £1,000 plus. I just needed one that would be a replacement phone for a secondary phone. So I opted for this Motorola G75. It's a 5G phone. I'm going to unbox it for the first time. So there's the phone itself, and it actually comes with a protective case. So out of the box, they actually provide a protective cover for the phone, and probably not a great deal more. So they provide a leaflet explaining the features of the phone. And they provide this obligatory pin that's used to access this SIM card, and in this case memory cards as well, because you can put in extra memory and some legal stuff there, some stickers which are probably a complete waste of money because they're going to go straight in the bin, and a USB cable A to C, which is refreshing. Normally, especially on some of the newer Samsungs, you get the C to C, and most of my plugs are ones that I've purchased or were packaged within all the Samsungs I've had over the years, and they tend to be the USB-A, and so that is going to go nicely into that. Excellent. Otherwise, I would have had to gone out and purchased a plug with a USB-C. That's quite good, and that is literally all you get in this box. So the next thing to do is to rip some of these stickers off here. Okay, just briefly, this phone is 5G, as stated on the box. It does take dual SIMs, and it also supports eSIMs. The SIMs themselves are the nano SIMs, so the really small ones. In terms of design, it's a 6.7-inch LCD display. It's got a resolution of 2388 pixels by 1080 with a density of 387 pixels per inch. It's got dual cameras. The front camera is a 16 megapixel camera, and the two rear ones, the main camera is a 50 megapixel and the second one is 8 megapixel. In terms of camera features, obviously it's got the LED flash, but it also has different shooting modes. So it's got night vision mode, it's got auto night vision, portrait mode, panorama mode, and apparently this camera on the rear can capture video in 4K, which is excellent. As I say, you can increase the memory on this by sticking a micro SD card in, but the phone itself comes with 256 gigabytes of internal memory, and then if you drop in a micro SD card, the biggest one that this phone will allow is the 1 terabyte card, which is, to be honest, more than enough memory for anything that I'm going to be using with this phone. Technically, it's got a 2.4 gigahertz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, which has got 8 gigabytes of RAM. Operating system wise, it's got Android 14, and in terms of connectivity, it's Bluetooth, NFC, and GPS. The other great thing about this phone, I picked it up for £180, and it comes with a 2-year warranty. So I think we're good to go with this. I'm going to charge it up. We'll get the screen protector bought and installed, and then we'll take it out. We'll take some pictures in terms and see how well it does in terms of capturing both stills and video. But for now, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.